This is a performance and tutorial for the original 4-card Monte. It's one of the first card magic routines I ever learned back in the 70s. Yes, the 1970s. Yeah, I know. So without further ado, let's get into it. Four-card Monte uses 4 cards and 4 cards only. There's not 5 and there's not 6. And you're using 3 alike cards. In this case, it's the aces, and 1 indifferent card, the 3. That's the money card. Now, you show the 3 on the top, you place it on the bottom, and then show it on the bottom. You take one of the aces, and it goes on the bottom, and you show it on the bottom. And you take the next ace, and actually that's a... Wait a minute, I'm sorry. There's 3 threes and an ace. I'm sorry, we'll start again. 3 threes and an ace. The ace is the money card. You show the ace on the top, and you reverse the order, and it puts the ace on the bottom. You reverse the order again, and it brings the ace to the... Actually, that's supposed to... Where are all these jokers coming from? I hope you enjoyed that. This is a pretty cool routine and storyline, and as long as they haven't seen it before, it throws everybody off every time. I'm going to show you how to do it, but before I do, just remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then watch no further, because once you do know, you can't unknow. We'll give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, here we go. This routine uses 4 regular cards, no gimmick cards, no extra hidden cards. You'll need 2 cards that are alike and 2 cards that are different. There's only 2 moves you need to know, and they're fairly easy to learn and perform. I'll show the moves first, and then we'll go through the routine. The 2 moves for this routine are a double lift and a triple lift with a packet of 4 cards. Triple lift with 4 cards, a double lift with 3 cards. They're both pretty easy to do. With 4 cards, you're going to hold them here and put a lot of pressure right here between your index finger and your thumb, and you're going to smear 3 cards over. You can see what I've done. This is 3 cards, and this is the single card. So smear 3 cards over just a little bit, and sometimes they'll separate right here. People can see a little bit. So I like for the triple lift, I put my index finger right here and pull them out like this and flip it. Do the same thing, triple lift. You're pushing over 3 cards. Grab it like this. You can actually push a little bit of pressure here, and you can square the cards up. Now you're going to do it all in a big fluid motion like this. Push it over. That's the triple lift. Now you're going to do the single lift, retain the cards right in this little crease with your finger. So when you push 1 card over, you can see I'm retaining these 3 cards. And you want the triple lift to look just like a single lift. That's a triple lift. This is a single lift. Now the double lift with 3 cards is the same thing. We're going to get rid of 1 card over here. You're going to have 3 cards. Same thing as the triple lift, but easier. Push over 2 cards, just a little bit. Push it over just so where you can come and grab it here. Pull it out, line these up, and flip it over. Do the same thing, grab it, line them up, flip it over. Do a single lift, place a card down. That's the double lift. This is the order you start with. 2 jokers on the top, followed by the ace, and the 3 is on the bottom. 3, the ace, and the 2 jokers. This is the sequence of moves for this routine. The first move is a triple lift. Show the ace, triple lift. Place a card down, double lift. Show the ace again, double lift. Place another joker down. Single lift, show the ace, single lift, place the ace down. And now this is where you emphasize the 3 is the money card. This gets their attention looking at this. and they forget about what just happened there. Place the 3 on top. Single lift the 3, show it, single lift it again, and place it on the bottom. Turn the packet over, show the 3 on the bottom. Single lift the ace, single lift again, place it on the bottom, showing the ace on the bottom. Now you're going to come over here, you're going to do a triple lift and show a 3, triple lift, place the card down, double lift, show the 3, double lift again, place the card down, single lift, show the 3. This is where you're mistakenly say, wait, it's 3 3s and an ace. Get their focus over here, drop the ace. The ace is the money card. Next, you're going to reverse the order. Place the packet in between your thumb and your middle finger. Take your thumb, slide a top card, slide a top card, slide a top card. You reverse the order. You show the ace to be on the bottom. Do the same thing again, top card, top card, top card. The ace should be on the top, but you're going to do a triple lift, show a joker, triple lift, single lift the card down. Do a double lift, show the joker, double lift, place the card down, single lift, show a joker, bring it over here. I like to flip it at the same time you show that last joker, and where are all these jokers coming from? These are my final thoughts on this routine. Make your approach to be like it's a new trick and you're not that good at it. This gives your spectators a sense of having an advantage. Throughout the routine, you're acting just as confused as they are. You're on their side. It's the cards that are messing up. At the end, you only have 4 cards, but you've shown 10 cards. Now don't go into panic mode thinking that the cards cannot be inspected. Once the routine is finished and they've realized that you are pretty good at this after all, say to them, well, you knew it was all sleight of hand, right? When they agree with you, and they will every time, turn over the cards yourself and show them. Nothing to hide. Most people freak out again because they just saw 4 jokers. You'd think it's the other way around, but I've done this so many times and people react the same way every time. I've even continued on by taking 3 of the cards and say this is the sleight. Then I'll do a 3-card count, joker, joker, and joker. And they're like, well, where's the 3? Well, the 3's over there. It throws everybody off every time. Then you take your cards. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have something to say, but please no spoiler alerts. And that's it.